Instructional video for ASEAN Vaccine Dashboard. An online platform to share vaccine information regionally, which has been developed as a web-based application. The concept of development encompasses 3 systems, including 1. Data storage system. 2. Data analysis and processing system. 3. Data reporting and display system. Users can access the ASEAN Vaccine Dashboard via web browser worldwideweb.aseanvac.org. On the main site, there will be menu icons, namely About, Registration, Login, and Dashboard. About provides general information of the ASEAN Vaccine Dashboard, such as background, basic system instructions, and collaborating agencies. Registration is used for the first-time registration. In order to access the system, users need to create an account by completing a provided registration form, including checking on I agree to accept the terms of use and privacy notice. Then click Create to finish the registration. The system will send a verification email. After the account is verified, another email will be sent to notify the successful registration. Login is required to access the system. After logging in, the username will appear on the right corner, from which the user can edit their personal details by clicking on the Edit button, or log out by clicking on the Log Out button at the Username tab. In this regard, if the user no longer wishes to use the system or prefers to revoke the consent for personal data collection, the user can click on the Privacy Notice and Consent button to revoke the user status and consent for personal data collection. Dashboard. After the successful login, the user will be able to access the display screen by clicking on the targeted module to explore sub-modules. After selecting the sub-topic, a main dashboard will appear, which consists of navigators and dashboard details, including basic guidance on how to use the dashboard. User can click on the navigator as needed. The dashboard will display navigators at the top, followed by a filter tool, and then present information in the form of graphs and/or tables. Users can expand the graphs and tables by clicking on the focus mode symbol. Moreover, the system is equipped with a user's evaluation and feedback tool, which will help collect and analyze data to be evaluated for further improvement of the platform.